Hello friends, today I am going to share my experience with CRS Info Solution. See, I have an experience of 12 years now, and last 4 years I have been working as a freelancer translation. But the work is limited and there is so much competition and less amount of money in here. So I thought of upgrading myself and learning Salesforce, which is the most in demand say training IT course right now. I searched a lot in the Google and found CRS Info Solution is the best institute to learn Salesforce here in India. I enrolled here and I got so much knowledge from this institution. The trainer is very much knowledgeable in both practical and theoretical aspects, and the training procedure is very effective. So if you are also looking for a Salesforce career, you can consider Salesforce Info Solution, and you can learn here to get a better paying, better satisfying job role in Salesforce. Thank you.